I'd have to say that the Lodge 6-quart enamel cast iron Dutch oven is the best Dutch oven for a lot of people because it's a reliable and versatile cooking companion that brings style and efficiency to your kitchen. It combines functionality with a sleek design, offering a piece of cookware that's not only efficient but also pleasing to the eye. Its porcelain enamel finish adds a touch of elegance, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. One of the standout features is its superior heat retention and distribution, ensuring your meals cook evenly. The cast iron construction means you can count on it to maintain a consistent temperature, which is crucial for recipes that require precise heat control. Also, the tightly fitting lid helps to lock in moisture, making it perfect for slow-cooked dishes like pot roast or stews. However, the enamel coating on this Dutch oven is not just for looks. It makes cleaning easier and prevents the cast iron from reacting with your food. The 2 layers of porcelain enamel are exceptionally durable, resisting chipping even with frequent use. This durability means you won't have to worry about the cookware's performance declining over time, which gives you great peace of mind. While this Dutch oven is dishwasher safe, hand washing with warm soapy water is recommended to keep its glossy finish intact. This care routine may be a bit of an inconvenience for some, but it's a pretty small price to pay for extending the life of your cookware if you ask me. Similarly, you'll want to avoid using metal scrubbers to prevent scratching the enamel surface. One thing to note, however, is that this Dutch oven is quite heavy, which could pose a challenge if you move it around frequently. Also, it's not recommended for use on outdoor grills or open flames, which may limit its versatility for some users. Despite these minor drawbacks, its overall performance in the kitchen makes it a worthwhile addition to your cooking arsenal. This is a dependable and stylish Dutch oven that can handle everything from marinating to baking with ease. The second Dutch oven on my list is the Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, which in my opinion is the best affordable Dutch oven for your kitchen. The Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven is perfect if you want reliable cookware without breaking the bank. This 4.3-quart oven boasts impressive heat retention and distribution, ensuring your meals cook evenly. Its enamel finish also adds a splash of color to your kitchen while being highly functional. Although it's a budget-friendly option, it doesn't compromise on quality. The heavy-duty cast iron is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds versatility to your cooking. You can sear, bake, broil, and stew with confidence, knowing that this Dutch oven can handle it all. Now, handling this cookware can be a little tricky due to its weight. At a weight of over 11 pounds, you'll need to employ pot holders or oven mitts when moving it around. The fitted lid helps to lock in moisture, making it perfect for slow-cooked recipes that require a tight seal. One thing to keep in mind is that this Dutch oven isn't dishwasher safe. You'll have to hand wash it, which might be a hassle for some people. Acidic foods should also be avoided unless the seasoning is perfect to prevent any discoloration or metallic taste. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven holds its ground as an effective, stylish, and budget-friendly option that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Okay, moving on to product number 3, we have the Mueller 6-quart Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, which is just about the best cast iron Dutch oven that you can get without spending a fortune. If you're searching for a Dutch oven that combines practicality with a sleek design, the Mueller 6-quart Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven stands out. Its exceptional heat retention ensures that your meals are cooked evenly, while the cast iron material helps keep your food warm for longer. Similarly, the tight-fitting lid with raised nodes continuously bastes your food, making it juicy and flavorful. One notable advantage of this Dutch oven is its versatility. You can use it on any cooktop, including induction, and it's safe for both oven and broiler use, meaning you can transition from stovetop to oven with ease, saving you time and effort. Whether you're roasting, sautéing, braising, or baking, this pot can handle it all. The high-gloss enamel finish is not only attractive, but also provides superior rust resistance. Over time, the natural non-stick interior is enhanced, making it even easier to use. Plus, the wide, sturdy handles and stainless steel knob make it a joy to maneuver, even when full. Although this Dutch oven is safe for a dishwasher use, a good hand wash is recommended to maintain its quality. Similarly, letting it cool before washing and using warm water with mild detergent will ensure it remains in top condition for years to come. With this top-rated Dutch oven, you're investing in a piece of cookware that can potentially become an heirloom in your kitchen. Now, for the fourth product on my list of the best Dutch oven brands, we have the Crock Artisan Dutch Oven, which, in my opinion, is one of the best Dutch ovens out there because it offers excellent value and performance, making it a great choice for home cooks. The Crock Artisan Dutch Oven is a kitchen powerhouse that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution, which is essential for slow cooking, simmering, and baking. You'll really appreciate its versatility whether you're roasting vegetables or simmering a hearty stew. One of the standout benefits is the porcelain enamel finish, which not only makes it non-stick, but also simplifies the cleaning process. Unlike traditional cast iron, you won't need extensive maintenance. A gentle hand wash is all it takes to keep it in premium condition. The 5-quart capacity is ideal for family-sized meals or batch cooking, and it provides sufficient space without being overly bulky, ensuring your dishes cook evenly and remain warm until it's time to serve. On the downside, its weight can be a bit unwieldy, especially when it's full. It's sturdy, but this durability comes with added heft. Additionally, since it's recommended to hand wash this product, it requires a bit of extra effort to maintain. While the color options may be limited, the available choices are elegant and suitable for various kitchen decors. The slate gray finish is particularly stylish in my opinion, adding a touch of sophistication to your cooking space. The fifth product on my best Dutch oven list is the remarkable Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Signature Round Dutch Oven. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line Dutch oven that delivers exceptional performance and durability, this is a fantastic choice. Le Creuset's Dutch oven stands out with its impressive heat retention and even distribution. Crafted from enameled cast iron, it excels in locking in moisture and flavor, which is perfect for slow cooking and braising. You'll appreciate its versatility. Whether you're roasting, baking, frying, or more, this piece has got you covered. The iconic design and vibrant enamel make it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Despite the heavy build, its ergonomic handles make lifting and moving around manageable. Plus, the stainless steel knob is a great feature, remaining safe at any oven temperature. One of the key benefits is the easy-to-clean enamel surface. There's no need for seasoning, and it minimizes sticking, stains, and cracks, which makes your cooking experience hassle-free. Additionally, the light-colored interior enamel allows you to monitor the cooking progress with ease. However, it does come with a few setbacks. The high price point might be a deterrent for some, but the quality and durability justify the investment for others. Moreover, this Dutch oven is quite heavy, which could be a downside for daily use. Lastly, while the enamel is designed to resist dulling and cracking, it still requires somewhat gentle handling to prevent chipping. The Le Creuset Dutch oven is compatible with all cooktops and can handle oven temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a broad range of cooking possibilities. Furthermore, it's dishwasher safe, but hand washing is recommended to maintain its pristine condition. Given its unparalleled performance and timeless aesthetics, this Dutch oven proves to be a solid investment in your culinary adventures. If you don't mind the higher price, it could be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Next up in my Dutch oven reviews is the Martha Stewart Gatwick 7-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven, which is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. Great for those who enjoy cooking with durable and visually appealing cookware. The Martha Stewart Gatwick 7-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven is a fantastic centerpiece for your kitchen. Its durable cast iron construction distributes and retains heat evenly, ensuring your stews, braises, and casseroles cook perfectly every time. You'll find that the vibrant enamel finish adds a splash of color and elegance to your table, making it a joy to serve directly from oven to table. One of the standout features of this Dutch oven is its impressive heat retention capabilities. The enamel coating not only makes for easy cleanup, but also means it resists staining and scratching, keeping it looking pristine for years to come. Those who love one-pot meals will appreciate how the lid's raised grooves help redirect moisture back into the food, resulting in tender and flavorful dishes. While the weight can be a bit cumbersome, it also speaks to the pot's solid build and quality. Sturdy handles make it manageable to transport between the stove, oven, and table, despite its heft. Do keep in mind that it's hand wash only, which might be a slight inconvenience for some, but worth the effort considering its overall benefits. Designed to handle oven temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this Dutch oven is compatible with all cooking surfaces, including induction stoves, making it a versatile piece of cookware and suitable for various recipes from baking bread to slow cooking. This Dutch oven from Martha Stewart not only offers performance, but also style and durability, making it a fantastic investment for any home cook. With its classic looks and robust design, it'll soon become one of your go-to pieces in the kitchen. Finally, we have the Lodge 8-quart pre-seasoned cast iron camp Dutch oven, which is a versatile and durable Dutch oven that is a great addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Crafted by Lodge in the USA, this 8-quart Dutch oven brings impressive durability to your outdoor cooking adventures. Forged from cast iron, this Dutch oven offers unbeatable heat retention and even cooking, making it perfect for a wide range of dishes, from slow-cooked stews to delicious desserts. Its robust construction means you can rely on it for years to come, making it a solid investment for any camping enthusiast. The pre-seasoned surface is ready right out of the box, so you don't need to worry about the initial seasoning process. This convenience saves you time and lets you dive right into your cooking. Plus, the more you use it, the better the nonstick surface will become, enhancing your culinary creations. One of the standout features is the flange lid that can hold hot coals and even be inverted to use as a griddle. This added functionality extends the oven's versatility, allowing you to cook multiple items simultaneously. Also, the oven's integral legs are designed for perfect stability over a campfire, making it an excellent tool for outdoor cooking. Though it's packed with useful features, keep in mind that this Dutch oven is quite heavy at 19.35 pounds, which might be a bit of a drawback if you plan on carrying it long distances. Additionally, maintaining the seasoning requires some effort, as cast iron needs regular care to keep it in top condition. Similarly, cleaning can be a bit demanding due to the oven's size and weight, but the satisfaction of cooking a hearty meal over an open flame is well worth the effort if you ask me. This Dutch oven sure is a fantastic tool for any serious camper or outdoor cooking enthusiast. In summary, the Lodge 8-quart pre-seasoned cast iron camp Dutch oven is crafted with durability and versatility in mind. Its remarkable ability to retain heat and cook evenly, coupled with its multifunctional design, makes it a dependable choice for campfire cooking. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best Dutch oven for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.